Hey, my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I have new story for you. So his story is a businessman who had three servants, and always he was trusted only one, and rest of two feel so jealous. Why always master asking Buddhi Sri, that their name is Buddhi Sri, Ramesh and Somesh. Ramesh and Somesh always got uh, furious, jealous, and always thinking why our master always asking for everything Buddhi Sri. Why not we? We three working same. We three is same taking same payment from master, and we three same equally obedient. Whatever master said, we will fulfill his order immediate. So always they feel wise, and one day they decide to complain his master, and said to him, "Sir, why always you trust on Buddhisri, not both of us? Me and Ramesh also your servant, and always whatever you said, who done that immediate." So master said, "Just okay. Go. I have. There is a rice seller came in our city, and go and ask him. Go and meet him." So first Ramesh went, and Ramesh went there and came back after some time and said to master, "Sir, yes, there is a rice seller is in our city, and he's selling rice." Well, it's okay. I will meet you later. Then he sent to Somesh. Somesh, go and check what is happening in there. And he went also. Somesh went and go to there, met to rice seller, and came back after some time and said to master, "Yes, sir, there is a rice seller coming, and he is coming from name that city. He is coming from that city, and he will stay uh, in our city for 2 days." It's okay. After that, same time Buddhisri appeared there, and master said, "Buddhisri, where have you been?" Buddhisri said, "Sir, I am going to market for some work, and on the way I saw a rice seller, and I thought he is selling rice in good price, so I bargained him, and I bought. I set the rate, and I ordered him for our shop some rice, whatever they needed." So master said, "Ramesh and Somesh, that's why, look at, I never said him anything about right seller. He did by on his own, on their mind, and using his common sense. That's why I trust on Buddhisri, not you, Somesh and Ramesh." So every people, sometime we all got jealous, and sometime feel bad ourselves, and we feel bad to others progress. We thought, why that person is progressing, not we? But we don't want to see behind that his skill, his common sense, his hard work. Only we uh, we saw that person's success. So never feel bad if someone is progress in front you. Learn from him and appreciate that person. Never pull that back. So that's the story and moral in front of you. You and everybody in sometime we feel bad internally, not externally. Some people feel bad to see others progress. So never feel bad. That is that person's hard work, that's skill, and that's honesty. So never feel jealous. You be your best version. Always try to improve ourselves, not others. So that's enough for today. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe.